Outfits: you can select between presets of whole outfits or select between presets of tops, bottoms, dresses, neck accessories, inner tops, underwear, socks and shoes. The option for arm accessories exists but isn't functional yet. Under the individual items there are options to remove by clicking the blue box or right-clicking on the item. To create custom items on the right are editing options and sliders. Texture edit: you can select between the different clothing items. Next tab is T-layers. Next tab is the model preview and tools. Next tab is the texture. Next tab is the color wheel. Brush type and layer settings. Under layers you can add a template which allows layering of different clothing items. You can select which item to layer and edit the items and texture as desired. The item edit mode can be accessed by clicking on the icon on the clothing item. You can edit with sliders and textures. Exiting will give you the option to save as new, overwrite and exit without saving.